Growing up, you probably heard 1,000 reporting to include eggs in your breakfast, mostly because eggs are rich in protein, and protein is important for muscle repair as well as muscle growth. Generally, you were told it's super important to always begin your day with a good plate of either fried, scrambled, or boiled eggs. But what if we told you that you could skip adding eggs to your breakfast and there would be no problem? Would you believe me? Especially with the increase in the price of eggs, many now find it difficult to have breakfast without the eggs they were used to. If this is you, you have nothing to worry about because we have some good news for you. In today's video, we'll be sharing other protein-packed breakfast options you can include in your daily breakfast menu without having to break the bank or worry about low protein intake. Are you ready to find out what they are? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Protein-packed pancakes. I know you might be thinking, how on earth do I make protein pancakes without eggs? Well, worry no more, because it's absolutely possible to make pancakes without eggs. All you have to do is search for pancake recipes that have other alternatives like protein powder or oat flour. And rather than using eggs, you could use applesauce, mashed bananas, or even ground flax seeds mixed with water. One great brand to consider is called Kodiak. They make delicious protein-packed pancakes in multiple flavors. Depending on your recipe, you could use as much as 10 to 15 grams of protein per serving. In addition to this, you can add any toppings of your choice to level up your protein and serving game. The list of toppings is endless, but make sure it's all protein related. Number 4. Greek yogurt with toppings. Who said you have to stick with eggs for breakfast when you have a wonderful protein-packed option like Greek yogurt? By now, you already know that Greek yogurt isn't only rich in protein. It's good for the gut and also gives your stomach a full feeling. Having Greek yogurt with either dried fruits or nut toppings is definitely a great protein-packed option for breakfast. Number 3. Overnight oats. You had a feeling I was going to include overnight oats in this list, didn't you? Well, if you did, you're right. Oats are a great source of protein, and recently, overnight oats just took things to an entirely new level. Instead of having to cook your oats early in the morning, you just have to soak them in the fridge overnight. All you have to do is combine a half cup of rolled oats with a half cup of milk in a jar or container. Add a tablespoon of chia seeds for extra texture and nutrition. You can also add in flavors like vanilla extract or dashes of cinnamon or even raisins. If you'd like to go a little extra, you could add toppings of your choice before refrigerating it overnight, and voila! By morning, you've got a creamy, ready-to-eat breakfast that is packed with around 15 grams of protein, or as much as 2 eggs, depending on your toppings. Number 2. Quinoa breakfast bowls. Who said quinoa is just for dinner? Well, scratch that, because quinoa makes an amazing breakfast base too. This amazing seed, which we sometimes confuse for a grain, or it pretends to be a grain, is super loaded with protein, which makes it a great option for breakfast. All you have to do is make a bowl with warm quinoa, milk, honey, and a dash of cinnamon, and then add toppings like nuts, seeds, and dried fruits. It's like oatmeal but fancier, and with a little more protein to boot. Here's a pro tip. Cooked quinoa gives you about 8 grams of protein per cup. Number 1. Last but not least, peanut butter and banana toast. I bet you can already picture and taste this with your imaginary taste buds, can't you? The dynamic duo of peanut butter and banana is a nostalgic favorite, but it's also a protein-packed game changer, which is a perfect breakfast option. All you have to do is spread 2 tablespoons of peanut butter or almond butter on a slice of whole grain bread for about 8 grams of protein total. Then top it with banana slices and sprinkle of chia seeds for an extra nutritional boost. And your breakfast is ready to be served. Now you no longer have to worry about not having eggs for breakfast. Every breakfast option we have shared in this video is highly protein-packed and will make up for the absence of eggs. Did you learn something new in this video? Let us know in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.